Hey Beardy buddies, welcome to a special edition of Mead Tasting with the Beardies. First of all, we want to wish you a Happy New Year. So if you remember in the last video, we talked about the two types of mead we were making. We have an elderberry mead and we have a maple...
Is that what this one is?
It's a maple syrup
I don't remember.
mead.
This was a year ago.
Yeah, so they've just been sitting, so this is the time when we crack them open and give them a test.
Alright.
First, let's smell.
It smells like wine. This one smells better.
Really? I think that one smells more medicinal, but you want to start that one?
Sure.
Okay.
Alright, those of you that don't know me, I do not really like the taste of alcohol at all, so this is very interesting. I'll be able to take a sip of it. Probably that's too much. Yeah, let's put the same one. I think this one smells more like berries, like a fruity.
This one's supposed to be really good for colds and stuff like
that.
Oh, really? The elderberries are.
Okay.
So, cheers.
So, cheers to the new year. We've got our special mead.
It actually reminds me of the strawberry mead we had last year.
That almost
kind of smell.
Almost decent. Yeah, it does. Alright, let's hear it.
This could be my last video with you if things didn't turn out right. So.
Whoa, that's strong. That's really strong. I feel like this is a repeat of last year.
Oof.
It's got, actually the aftertaste is better than the actual taste of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like the taste of it is really strong, but the aftertaste is kind of pleasant.
I like the strawberries better.
Yeah.
The elderberry is definitely more of a bitter tasting berry to me. More.
It's kind of blueberry.
More like a medicinal flavor, I think.
Medicinal, like medicine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take another sip just because it's New Year's Eve. And my sips are like baby sips.
I'll finish this and then we should get a palate cleanser.
Alright, water break.
It's not bad though. I actually think it's better than the ancient orange
The
stuff.
aftertaste is okay.
I think it's better than the ancient orange. So far I would say...
Should I rinse these cups out or is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go rinse them.
So far I would say my favorites have been the strawberry lemonade, and then probably this one so far, and then the ancient orange, which the ancient orange was also good, but that one was really strong. So this one actually has maple syrup in it, and the maple syrup is actually from trees in the area.
Oh, that's right. I forgot how we used. Just give me a very tiny bit. Okay. What was that?
Apparently I don't know what to do.
Oh my goodness. This smells sweeter. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it definitely does.
It's kind of shiny.
I'm smelling just a hint of syrup.
When you
not
look
much.
in there, doesn't it look kind of shiny? Does yours look shiny? It's just the bottom of my cup. But this one's more clear.
Alright, you ready?
Okay.
This definitely doesn't smell as strong though.
No.
Like, yeah, okay.
Definitely a different
That is
flavor.
way different.
It's way different.
That is my favorite so far. That is so good.
It's very clear. Like
Yeah.
it's a real like light. It's very light.
Yes, that is
that's not
really
bad.
good. I like that.
Yeah, but the aftertaste isn't as good. It's weird because the taste
I'm
of this
getting
is
no
good.
I'm getting no aftertaste.
Really?
But this one's sweeter. It's really good. It's smooth.
It's
really smooth.
And I don't even drink wine, but yeah, this is better than the other one for sure.
All right, I'm updating my order. My order then is the maple one, and then the strawberry one, and then the elderberry one, and then the ancient orange mead one. And then I'll post a link to all the recipes I know I did in my previous video. So you guys can try it out for yourself. They're really easy to make. You basically spend what did it take us? Maybe half an hour to mix all the ingredients together. put it in the bottles, and then it sits for 3 months, I think. And then you siphon it out because there's, you know, you want to get all the particulates and stuff out of it, and then you let it sit for a year. So pretty soon we'll have another video of
making 2 new flavors.
Making 2 new flavors. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, have a happy new year and thanks for watching. Bye. Everything you're looking for, and you can get all your, so it'll have to be cut out. Hey Beardy buddies, and welcome back to the special edition of Mead with Beardies. Beardy's Taste of Mead.
Have you already been tasting the mead?
And welcome back. Today we are going to have a special. You are going to make me laugh constantly.
Why are these chairs so squeaky? Just try to sit still. Welcome back.
I have Mrs. Beardy here, so you're going to be tasting. Watch some beer tasting with the meaties. We're just going to continue.